Good evening, viewers, and welcome once again to the home of beautiful cars, where I'm feeling British tonight, actually, because we have got an Aston Martin 2023 DBX 550 with only 4,700 kilometers. Let's take a closer look. A magnificent hand-built SUV by Aston Martin. Virtually brand new, only at the home of beautiful cars. Incredible spec, magnificent colour. Look at the inside as well. Unbelievable. Only at the home of beautiful cars. Under $280,000. Finance arranged, trade-ins accepted, Australia-wide delivery. A car that is worthy of 007 and Mr. James Bond himself. Magnificent, hand-built work of art by Aston Martin. Only at the home of beautiful cars. Ready for you now.